Good morning, children. Hope you all are studying well through the online classes that is going on. Children, today in English language class, I will be continuing with the same topic, that is comparison of adjectives, of which we have already seen the videos. So, children, in the previous video, we have seen that adjectives are compared in three ways, that is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So today I will be explaining some rules of comparison of degrees. So let's see, children, what are they? So it is like that most adjectives of one syllable and some of more than one form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est to the positive. To understand it, let's see some example. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Small, smaller, smallest. Young, younger, youngest. So, in this example, what we have seen, children, that in the positive degree, the word remains the same. Whereas in the comparative degree, we are adding er. And in superlative degree, what we are doing, we are adding est. So, there are many more like this, of this changing from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative degree. So I would suggest you all to learn it from the book. Now, when the positive ends in E only R and ST are added. Let's see the example to understand it. Brave, braver, bravest. Large, larger, largest. So what we have seen here, children, that the word ending in ER, only R is being added and then ST is being added to it in the following example. I hope, children, you all have understood till here. Next is when the positive ends in Y preceded by a consonant, the Y is changed into I before. Like, for example, happy, happier, happiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest. So in this example, what we have seen, children, Y has been changed and we have added I in place of Y, and therefore it has become happier, heavier. Understood, children? So see the next one. When the positive is a word of one syllable and ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, this consonant is doubled before adding er and est. Like, for example, big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. So, in this example, what we have seen that the consonant is being doubled. Okay, right, children? Now see the next one. Adjective of more than two syllables form the comparative and superlative by putting more and most before the positive. See, for example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. The next one, difficult, more difficult, and most difficult. So in these sentences, what we have seen that we have added more in the comparative degree, and in the superlative degree, what we have done, we have added most. Understood, children? Now see the next rule. Some adjectives are compared irregularly. That is, their comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive. For example, good, better, best, much, more, most, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least. So what we have seen here, these are some irregular adjective. So here we are not using any other form. We are just changing it, like good is changed into better and then better is changed into best. I hope children you all have understood till here. So children, there are many more of these types. So children, I would suggest you all to go through the grammar book once for better understanding. Till then children, keep on learning.